Hey YouTube family, Happy New Year! If you are new to my channel, welcome, Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you guys that have been with me since the old years and many years before. Thank you, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year to all. Welcome to 2016. Sweet 16, as I have come to refer to it as, because 2016 is going to be sweet and just wonderful, and all the best things going to happen in 2016 and years to come. So happy sweet 16 in 2016. So let's get right into this video. If you guys are not familiar, or if you're new to my channel, a few months ago I made a video about how I wanted to take on a new journey, which I call Journey to Natural, where I wanted to not only go natural with my hair and so on and so forth, but also with the products that I put on my skin. And I have been doing different videos reviewing different makeup products that I want to transition to that are more healthier for my skin. So I've been trying to transition over my foundation first, because that was the hardest thing for me, is the foundation as the base of applying makeup. And I reviewed some other companies before in the past. If you want to see those videos, I'll link them below, as well as my previous videos explaining why I want to take on this more natural, healthier skincare routine. I reviewed a few of them in the past. Some of them I liked, some of them I wasn't too pleased with. But another one that has caught my eye, because I still haven't found my perfect foundation yet in a more natural state. Recently, I have been using Bare Minerals, and I have been quite happy with that. But then I also heard about a company called Blac Minerals, which is something quite similar to Bare Minerals. However, it is Black owned and is a small business. So I was more intrigued to support it for those two reasons. So over the holiday season for Black Friday, I ordered products from that company. I ordered the sample pack, which comes with sample foundations, so that you can try it out to get your shade match, and then you can order again in the future once you get your shade match. I will link that video below. I will link that video below also if you want to see it. It's called my Black Friday Black Business Haul. So that's where I purchased these products. So I've had them for a few months now, because now it's January, and I've been using them for a while. So let me show them to you. And the sample pack was the dark sample pack that I chose, and it came with 5 foundation samples. And she also sent me a finishing sample, like a finishing powder sample, that was also sent to me. So these are all mineral makeup, and I'll show them to you. So sent in this package, so you see, and they're all labeled on the back with different ones. And so far, progressively throughout the past few weeks, I've tried each of these products, and I also use the finishing powder on top of it. And the results were kind of surprising to me, and I'm wearing one of them now. Today I'm wearing Chestnut. This is how Chestnut looks on me, and I think it looks great. But the reason why the results were surprising was because I will show you guys in the clip following this video, where I tried on each one and I showed you how my thoughts on it, or how it matches my skin tone. But I was surprised, because I honestly believe that each one fit my skin tone. Watch the following clips. Let me know what you guys think about the color shade ranges. I think they all match my skin tone. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, but let me know what you guys think. So this is the color Nutmeg from Blac Minerals. I'm actually in a rush. My husband is waiting for me in the car, but I wanted to get this out just to show how it looks on my skin. This is my face with it. This is my neck. So I think it matches my skin really well. So Nutmeg seems to be a really good color from Blac Minerals. So when I try the other colors, I'll let you guys know how it looks. So this one here is Chestnut. I'm trying to show it to you in the best light I can. It's still early in the morning, so the sun is not out yet. But this is how Chestnut looks on me. Is Mocha. And like I said, I still think it looks good. Sorry about the noise, you guys. They're doing construction on my block. I'm not going to take my hair down yet, but this is Mocha. And with my skin tone, I have my robe on. I didn't get dressed for work yet, but this is how it looks. I like Mocha. Mocha's really cool. But so far, I think all of them look good. So we can try to make this quick before I'm late for work. But this one is Expresso. So this is how Expresso looks on my skin. Pay no attention to my lip because I didn't put on any lip products yet. But yeah, once again, I still think it's good. It looks like a good match also. My neck color is very similar to it. And this is the second to darkest one. Tomorrow is the darkest one, but this is Expresso. This is how it looks. So this is the last and final color. This one is called Bark. This is how it looks. Still think it is a good match for my skin. However, with this one I can see where, sorry about the shaky camera, but with this one I can see where it might be a little bit dark compared to my neck. You guys can see that. But other than that, I think this would be perfect for the summertime. And this is the darkest color that they have. This is the darkest color. But I think this would be perfect for the summertime. But it still looks good on my skin. Try to get different lighting for you guys. Yeah, I really think it's pretty decent for my skin. Really decent. So this is the color Bark. Okay, so now that you guys saw, do you guys agree with me? Do you think that they all match my skin shade, my skin tone, or am I just bugging? I don't know. Let me know what you think. But let's talk about the products itself. They all apply pretty easily. In these sample pack, it's a little bit harder to apply because usually you pour a little bit on the, how you apply mineral makeup is you pour a little bit in the cover, you swirl on with your brush, and then you apply it to your face. The covers were too small, so I actually used a different cover. And this is what I used. I poured some of the foundation on here, and then I just swirled it around and I applied it to my face. So I had to find something else to apply it. But other than that, application was easy. The cover's really great. It lasts all day. It really does last all day. As far as oiliness is concerned, I do have combination skin, so I do get oily in my T-zone areas like many other people. However, it's not 100% matte, but towards the end of the day, I would have to blot my face at least once, which is something that is not a big deal for me because just to blot once is not that crazy. But it kept my face in like this really nice, not matte, but a very skin-like finish. It is not matte and drying. It's just a very nice skin-like finish. I actually really, really love the foundation. My skin itself underneath stayed healthy. My skin underneath all of this is still healthy, so was not damaged at all. The Earth Flawless Finishing Dust, even some days when I wore my Bare Minerals foundation, I still use the Earth Finishing Dust as opposed to the Bare Mineral Veil because I do prefer this over the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. So if you guys don't know already, Bare Mineral has a product which is like a finishing powder that you put over the mineral makeup, and it acts the same way. It's called the Mineral Veil, and I actually prefer this Earth Finishing Powder over the Mineral Veil. To me, it's more complimentary for my skin tone because it does have a slight tint to it in shade color. The Bare Minerals is like a very nude tan color, and it has just a slight, very slight hint of shimmer, which gives my face a very skin-like finish. So I prefer it more than the Mineral Veil. But those are my thoughts on it for now. I absolutely love the product. I don't have anything negative to say. As far as does it transfer, it doesn't transfer to my clothes. The only time that I experienced transfer was when it was really cold and I had it on a hat on my head, and when I took the hat off, it did leave some residue on my head, but because my head was hot and it was just, the hat was on it. But other than that, I don't really experience any transfers on my clothes that much. Not that I do it on purpose, but it's just like any other regular makeup. But I actually love the product, you guys. This was bought with my own money. It's not a sponsored video in any way. But I do believe that when my Bare Minerals is finished, I would probably gravitate to ordering Blac Minerals as opposed to Bare Minerals because I want to support that company. And that's just my personal take on it. Hope this video wasn't too long. Any questions or concern, leave them in the comment section. Definitely comment letting me know which foundation sample you think match my skin tone the best, or if you agree with me and all of them match, definitely let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching, and always, like I say in all my videos, enjoy your journey. Bye-bye.